Hello, today I'm going to show you how I make my own hoops to make hoop earrings. I usually use memory wire like this. I make mine in my own way. I've seen others do other ways and I will show you how I make them. So here's your memory wire. I usually cut them about 1 centimeter longer. And when you see them like this, I make the loops sideways. I will try and show you how I do that. Now you can see that the loop is on the right side. So I'm going to twist it over. So it will be more of a straight angle, just a little bit more. When you're making hoops, you have to really make sure that you close the loop on your memory wire. I'm using my flat nose plier here to squeeze the last, like this, and you have your loop there. And the reason for that, you will see later. I don't do them upwards like that. I do them sideways, and I will show you why later. This is the size for a smaller bracelet. I think it's like 5.5 centimeters wide. And you can also make smaller ones with memory wire for rings. This wire that I have, at least, is extremely hard to work with. So you do the same as you did with the last one. You cut it like a centimeter wider. And I should say that you shouldn't use this one, but I always have, so I still use it. You should have a wire cutter really for this. And I also need to get a new round nose plier. I just still haven't bought one. This is worn out. But you do the same here. Make the loop. This wire is very hard to work with. So you have to be strong. And there you have a loop on the smaller one. But now I will show you something else. If you like really small hoops, you can use open jump rings that are larger. This one is 1 centimeter. But if you don't have any, you can always use a taller head pin. And in my case, I just simply do like this. I just bend them around a pen or something in the right size that you like. And then I use this as a ring base. And you can see there's a bit difference. You just chop the head off and make a loop like you usually do. Like that. And then you put your beads on, or whatever you like on this side. And now I'm going to show you why I make loops that way when I do my hoops. So I'm just going to put some beads on here and close it up so you can see why. Now we're going to finish this off, so we make a loop at the other end. Now I made the loops like you see there, so there's a line side by side. Now I'm going to show you how I do this. The reason why I do like this is because I like the movement that it gives the earrings. So you put them on like that, so they move at the same place, so you don't crisscross them. Put your earring hook on, and then you try to close it together like that. When you do it like this, the little jump ring gives it a little bit more of a movement, and you see they're aligned up there. And also, if you put the rings on directly on the ear hook, your earring will turn that way. But this way, it turns the right way when you wear it. So that's why. I hope you got some nice ideas from this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.